Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. We're doing Big Me by Foo Fighters. This is an absolute classic, standard tuning. You don't really need much other than a clean amp really. I am using a pedal just to brighten things up ever so slightly. So my amp tone is this. That's the Morgan MVP66. I'm also using the SoundLoud Liverpool Clean Machine with these settings. Just to sprinkle a little bit of magic on top. Nice easy one this though, so let's dive straight in. Your first and third fingers stay where they are for the first 3 chords, okay? So even for the G. And then you go to the F, which I do thumb over the top. You could play it like a bar chord if you wish. And the rhythm is this: down, down, up, up, down, up. And that's pretty much the riff throughout, bar a few, extra eighth notes, okay? So you'd have this. And the incidental stuff that you'll hear happening on the 7th, 8th note of each bar is just you taking your fingers off, but the strumming continues, right, as you're changing between the chords. So C to A minor would be off, off again, okay? So that's why it's tabbed the way it is. All your fingers come off there, right? And they all come off again there. Let's go back to the C, okay? The rhythm in the last bar is just down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the basics. Let's fly through the rest of it. To speed, that riff is... Next part then goes... like that. So, first half goes to an E major, then an F, then to a C. That's the same as the first one. Then we go to a C7. So that first part slowly. Cool, right? And the second half slowly is. So there you're just doing E to F, hanging on the F, and then to a full G. And then back into the chorus part, okay? So, let's play the bridge part to speed. 3, 4. Chorus next, which reuses some of the parts you already know. So that goes like this. So that slowly is the verse. You know that. Then you go back into the C. But then we go G to F. Okay. Then you go back to the C, and there's a cool little gallop thing that happens at the end of this one. You go C to G, and that goes like this. Okay, so it's up, down at the end, right? So down, down, up, down, and then you change to the G. You do 7/8 notes. One more time. And then you're into another verse. All that stuff. You do that twice. Bridge again. All that stuff, exactly the same as before. Then you repeat the chorus again, exactly as before. Then the outro part comes in, which basically plays this. Okay, so all you're doing there is repeating the chorus. So this bit. But when you come to this part, you do that 3 times. You just repeat that same bit. And on the 3rd time, you just slow this bit down. And you end with those 2 chords. That is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.